Rivers and Coffee. This morning I'm at the Lost Lake Nature Preserve in Southeast Michigan. This is a Southeast Michigan Land Conservancy property. It's over 500 acres in size. I absolutely love visiting these types of sites. They play a significant role in our local green infrastructure, that whole idea of connected open spaces. The trail system I think is about 2.5 miles. It kind of goes out to a lake. We'll go check that out. It's overcast today. There's some rain and sleet coming down. It's a little bit slippery. Hopefully I'll stay upright. All right, thanks for joining me this morning. Really interesting part of the preserve. This used to be part of an old private airport that's now been converted back to more of its natural state. There's a lot of grasses out here, a lot of native grasses. I see some big blue stem, which is really a beautiful native grass, very beneficial to our local wildlife. Let me see if I can show you guys a clump of that. It's a nice clump right over here. It's a beautiful grass, takes on a lot of different colors, and it's very beneficial. Okay, it's starting to rain a little bit. I better keep moving. Boy, that sure is a beautiful old oak tree. So if you guys are familiar with land trusts or land conservancies, you'll know that they're not very well funded. They rely a lot on donations. This particular property was able to happen because a donor came forward and actually gifted over $1 million to make this acquisition possible. It's a pretty neat story. And if you're wondering, no, it wasn't me. I don't know if you guys can see this plant here, but this is a Phragmites, and this is an invasive species. So unlike the blue stem, which is one that we want, this is one that we don't want in here. It does a lot of damage to the local ecosystem. So there's quite a bit of effort to try to remove Phragmites from these types of areas. It might look pretty, but that's very deceiving. And there is a native Phragmites, but this one is, I'm pretty sure, the invasive one.
looks like a good spot for a coffee.
Ooh. Oh, that coffee really hit the spot, especially on a cold, kind of rainy, icy day. I'm all cleaned up and I'm ready to slip on out of here. This is a beautiful preserve and it's well worth the visit if you're in the area. I'll leave some information in the description below. Remember, please leave no trace. Take some time for yourself, get outside, find a little peace. Everybody deserves a little peace in their life. Until next time, stay in peace, rivers and coffee.